to see goaltending like this. Jocelyn Lemieux tried to dump it in front. He kind of bugged on the pass. Got a penalty coming. I believe it's going to be against Potvin. Potvin and Grimson. The gloves come off. Potvin's got the right hand loose. Grimson trying to get away from Jerry Pateman. Look out, somebody can get hurt in that situation.
These two have been opposite each other most of the night. I'm surprised it didn't happen before, but a very passive game. Hard hitting, but passive. And finally, Potvin Grimson will go to the box with 4:58 to go in the third. Hawks in command. Back at Chicago Stadium, where the Hawks lead the Red Wings 5-1, 4:58 to go. It looks like the Hawks will win the President's Trophy. This is after the penalty is already coming to Potvin, the original two. Now they have nothing up on the board, so the ensuing scrum here looks like it's going to result in